All right, let's go over this first question. So this question was a little tricky, but you're going to see something similar to this again tomorrow, and then you're going to see something similar to it on your test on Thursday. So let's talk about this problem and let's work through it. Sally drives from Austin to Houston. The distance from Austin to Houston is 331 miles. The distance from Austin to Elgin is 88 miles. And from Brenham to Houston is 97 miles. So Sally drives from Austin all the way to Houston, and there's some stops in between. Okay, she drives from Austin to Houston. The distance from Austin to Houston is 331 miles. 331 miles. The distance from Austin to Elgin, from here to here, is 88 miles. And the distance from Brenham to Houston is 97 miles. What is the distance from Elgin to Brenham? So this right here is what you're trying to figure out, okay? So your strip diagram would have looked something like this. You have a total distance. You know how many miles she drives all together from Austin to Houston. She drives 331 miles. Let's pretend she broke up this drive, and like maybe she stopped and went to the bathroom in Elgin, and then she stopped and went to the bathroom in Brenham, okay? So from Austin to Elgin, she drove 88 miles. I'm going to say Austin to Elgin. Austin to Elgin. Then we don't know this middle part. Okay, I'm going to leave this one blank because I want my strip diagram to represent my my little map that I have here. So I'm going to leave Elgin to Brenham blank. I don't know that one. And then I have Brenham to Houston. And that's 97 miles. This is the total miles. Okay, I have 2 parts of my whole, but I have 3 parts in total. So I have 2 parts of my whole, but I'm still missing a part. How are we going to solve this problem? What you're going to do is you're going to add what you already know. So I already know that I have 88 and 97. And you have base 10 or place value discs that you could have used on your slide, but I'm going to draw my base 10 blocks. There's my 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 88, and then I'm going to draw 97. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can do some regrouping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10, those 10 ones become a new 10. Now, I'm pretty sure I can still do some regrouping from tens to hundreds. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Those all become 100. And then I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I have 80 left. So I have 185 miles that we know have been driven. I need to figure out this missing part. What am I going to do? So from Austin to Elgin and then Brenham to Houston, she drove 185 miles. And I know that's from a total of 331 miles. I want to figure out how many miles she drove from Elgin to Brenham. I'm going to, what are we going to do? You're going to subtract. If you said subtract, good job. 331 minus 185. This is what we're subtracting. Can I take 5 ones away from 1 1? No, you cannot, so you need to regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to circle what I have left over. Can I take away 8 tens from 2 ones? No, you cannot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can take away 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what I have left. And then I need to take away 100. This is what I have left. How many hundreds do you have? You have 100. How many tens? You have 4. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from Elgin to Brenham is 146 miles. Okay, I know this was a lot of work. I know that. And when you take your test tomorrow or on Thursday, you're not going to have this, you're not going to be able to write on it. So I want you to get a piece of paper and write out the map that it's going to show you on your test on Thursday.